Cuddy King. Volume 1, Volume 2, Volume 3, Volume 4, it's Volume 5. 5 years later, look at him.
5 years later, I'm fucked up.
He got me fucked up, man. We just waiting on Phil, man. We just waiting on Phil to get, you know what I mean, finish this little magical touch. He did what I'm saying. He'll be back out here. Like, on y'all ass one more time, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, Milwaukee, Wisconsin, we didn't fuck Chicago up. We didn't fuck Racine up. We didn't fuck plenty of places up. Of course, the hometown's gonna get fucked up the most, you know what I mean? Y'all saw, you see Hampton, come on.
Y'all know it.
You
Y'all
see
know what's
Hampton.
going on. I
Ain't
did it
no
4
fucking
times in a
movement.
row. 4 times in a row.
Ain't no movement.
I guarantee y'all gonna love this one.
Ain't no movement. I'm gonna just take you through here and show. Of course, you know who Cuddy King is. We got Repo right here. Thanks for shout out to Whiplash. Hey, turn it down, turn it down, turn it down, turn it down, turn it down. Shout out to Whiplash Customs too.
Another successful show done in Milwaukee with no violence,
no violence, no nothing.
Down, fucking police, they couldn't shut us down.
Hey, you see this year? It was something cut out there this year. They was like, we ain't even gonna stop. We gonna cut the lights in this siren on so we can get through this motherfucker. Come on. Of course, Tone out here. What it do, man? Just another day behind the scenes of Milwaukee. Y'all see us, you know what I mean, when we are shined up and glamorous swerving in traffic, but y'all don't get to see us while we just out kicking it. Hey, Monte, what you do, bro?
Man, what's happening?
Yeah.
Taking these, man. How you riding TV, man? Chill with my nigga.
Got the boys out here. Let's see if he really from Green Bay. Where y'all from? All this Green Bay. South side. South side. South side, the best side, he said. Then we got the slingshots out here. Hey, we even got the main producer from Larry's Fun Fest here. We even got the producer from Larry's Fun Fest here. Come on. Oh yeah, this is take him to your whip. Big ass speaker box. It's fucking ridiculous. It's loud as fuck. You see Marlo fucking him up? You remember when he had the Rivy? He had the Rivy. Everybody want to talk shit. He had all them old schools. Everybody want to talk shit. Now look at him. Feel Good House of Customs. Hey, Marlo. Feel Good House of Customs. This is years later. Marlo. This is years later. Y'all seen him volume 2, 3, 4. This is years later. This is volume 5 right here, 2018. What year is this?
2007,
running fast.
You know what I'm saying? And this bitch going crazy. Baby.
And he dumping too. Come on.
I'm from the mill.
Yeah, we at Midtown Cross.
Y'all 16 finest. 16 North Avenue.
What size Ruchis?
24 inch Ruchis. Floaters on that bitch. Only nigga out here with X5, you know what I'm saying? Where?
Get on the camera. Yeah, we fucking them up. This is after the show, you know what I'm saying? We can't do this at the show, you know what I mean? But after the show, we out here. You can do shit like this. We fucking them up out here, you know what I mean? Look. All different types of shit. All different types of shit, man. Here in Milwaukee, Wisconsin, we done fucked up. They made Hampton look like Atlanta. If you don't agree with that, you one hating ass nigga, because that shit was fucked up for about 2 hours. No movement. Look. Volume 5. Volume 5. Look. 2 boss niggas right here. That's how I talk to the cameraman. What city we in? Let them know what city we in.
Man, y'all know what it is.
Yeah, man. Yeah. Going crazy. This is free. Again, this is behind Davin City, behind How You Ridin TV. This is what goes on behind the film. A lot of y'all might not know. Come on, so get them on the camera. They want to get on the camera. Oh shit, y'all turn right around. What?
What's going on, bro?
Come on, y'all. Yeah.
What's going on, baby?
We out here.
Baby. Get in
We
here.
out here. Swiss Money Magazine. Is that Sweet Sweet? Is that the rapper Sweet Sweet? I mean, not Sweet Sweet. Center Street. Is that him? I look like Squeak.
Oh my God.
Is that him?
Nah.
I ain't walking up to no anybody. Hell no. Get the fuck down. Look. You got the shoes, the motherfucking basketball outfit. Is this the NBA? Hell?
I think I'm bowling like it.
Is this the NBA? Hey, bro. Look. Look, yo, big getting money. He's trying to hide his pop. I saw him on the phone. He's trying to do it big. What it do, man? What you sipping on?
You know I'm sipping on.
Look at that shit.
Testing some red mix.
Oh, they over there
man.
fucking shit up. We gotta get over there.
Some red mix. That's all, man.
Oh, yeah.
A lot of covers cut.
Shout out to How You Ridin TV.
Yeah.
They over there fucking shit up. That's a wrap. They over there fucking shit up. You ain't just see that? They old school over there. I see it. Come on.
Next up.
Still bringing them out, of course. Check out this nigga chunk. What do you do? Oh, you gotta get this nigga license plate. Wait a minute. I said, hey, come here. Hey, I'm just talking about this song. It's only right. It's only right that you get that, man. This motherfucker is original for real. The place is from 92. If he get pulled over, it's a wrap, man. Look at this nigga trunk. Last one out here. Y'all remember this nigga right here? Y'all remember this nigga? Y'all remember this nigga, the before and the after? It's 2015, 18 now. 18 now. Gucci coming soon? We gonna change this
And 81 cut.
We gonna change this deal?
And 81 cut.
Aww.
And 81 cut.
Last but not least, look at this nigga glasses. Look at this nigga glasses. Oh, you know he's finna act a fool.
Oh, you know
I'm gonna make him do a donut for camera. You know, we ain't using this right here for How You Ridin TV. We finna make him do this for camera guys. We finna make him do this for camera guys. I'm gonna catch him. Look at that. Motherfucker on the camera. Let's get in the light, man. Get this crazy motherfucker on the camera.
Hey, man, this nigga stay fucking me around and doing shit, but I love you to death.
I bet he got some shit in his truck right now. But we can't.
I got some shit in my truck.
Both ways, we got some shit in that truck.
That bitch going down.
Hey, Swiss Money Magazine. It's camera on camera. It's camera on camera right now. It's networking for real right now. It's camera guys, How You Ridin TV, and Swiss Money Magazine.
And we ain't talking Family Guy.
For you.
We talking Family Guy. You heard me?
Going crazy. Shout out to Pito too. Pito came out there. Shout out to Players Choice. Yeah, that's Players Choice. PC Customizing. Shout out, y'all did come out and show love today. We finna go get their ass on the camera.
Come on, see it out to see.
This is my hair. This is my hair braider. This is my hair braider, right? You can't get the back of my braids though, because it's fucked up. It's fucked up again. Y'all gotta get on the camera. Y'all gotta get on the camera at least wave. Shout out to How You Ridin TV.
Shout out to How You Ridin. That's my brother. That's my
Did we just fuck Hampton up or what?
Yeah,
Y'all look like y'all was in traffic. Like
y'all went crazy. Definitely went crazy.
Look, Swiss Money Magazine, take a picture.
Yo,